the $1,000 challenge. We've done a 20-year comparison of a private vault savings account and a bank savings account. Putting your money in this private vault account will earn you almost 40% tax-free. The bank savings account only earns you 0.3% interest. It doesn't really compound as heavy. What is a private vault account? I'll tell you in a minute, but first we're going to unpack and explain why you should choose a private vault account instead of a bank savings account if you're going to have a contest on which account can earn the most interest over time. It's the $1,000 challenge.
Here's a clip from the Metropolis University, my online library of wealth building and real estate finance courses.
If you were to put $1,000 into a savings account today and then deposit $200 each month for the next 20 years, earning simple interest of 0.03%, which is what some of the banks are advertising right now, after 20 years, you will have saved $49,000 and your balance will be $49,149.68. You leave money in a bank for 2 decades and all they give you is $149.68. This probably isn't the best place to keep your money in for 2 decades, especially since that $49,000 will probably only have the purchasing power of $30,000 in 20 years from now because of inflation.
Make sure and smash the subscribe button and the notification bell for our next video.
This is where the fun begins. When I was 10 years old, if I would have opened up private vault account with a $1,000 deposit and I plan to save $200 each month, it plays out entirely different than it does if I just keep my money in a bank savings account. And eventually, in 16 years and on, you're only depositing about $555 a year of your own money because the dividends from the compounding interest you're earning are making those monthly savings deposits for you. This is where your money is making money for you. So in the end, you put into your savings out of your own pocket a little over $39,000, but the cash value on the account is almost $55,000. And that extra $16,000 is tax-free income.
If you think somebody else might find this video valuable, then share it with them.
If this is the year that you finally put together that long-term 20 and 30-year game plan to make your family financially free. If this is the year that your spouse finally gets that house y'all have been talking about. If this is the year your kids finally get that backyard you promised them. This course is for you if this is the year you don't break promises. Check out our monthly newsletter, weekly blogs, and daily webinar case study calendar on our social media, the Metropolis Monthly. Modern day money stories to help you stay ahead of the curve.